First of all, thank you so much to all of our valued clients for participating in our workshop survey. You might remember seeing this invitation in your email or on our social media page a few months ago. To show our gratitude for your time in answering the survey, a $50 Amazon gift card will be given to one of our lucky clients. And today's the day. I will be announcing the gift card winner with the help of this spinning wheel roulette. So please stick around to find out who the winner is. As for the workshops we have surveyed, there were 7 items on the list. Here's the result of the survey. Due to the high number of participants who have expressed their interest in budgeting and savings, ProSecure Financial will be hosting an exclusive 2-day online workshop on, guess what? Budgeting and savings. And it will be happening in September this year. So please keep your eyes peeled for the exact dates in September 2023. We will be making the announcement through our website, social media channels, and by email. And now the time has come to find out who the lucky winner is. Please note that the winner can claim the gift card by sending us a direct message through our website, and here's how. Go to Contacts, hover on Please Select Purpose, and choose Request Educational Workshops. On the comment section, just type Claim Amazon Gift Card and please include the address where you would like us to send the gift card to. Alright, here's what we have been waiting for. Good luck to all of our clients who have participated in this survey. A very big congratulations goes out to Jackie Boysa! Yay! Jackie, you are the lucky winner of a $50 Amazon gift card. Just rewind this video on how to claim your prize. So once again, a huge thanks to all who participated in our workshop survey. Please visit our website for more information about our services, as well as helpful videos about managing money, determining your insurance needs, tips on investing, and many more. Have a wonderful day to all. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.